Hi all, I am recording this video with the goal of checking out the presence of reverb and echo. I am recording in a room which is untreated and measures 12 feet length, 10 feet width and 10 feet in height. I don't have much furniture in this room save for the table on which my camera is resting. There's a narrow wooden cupboard and a camera cabinet behind me, and that's it. There is no foam, no furniture, nothing is treated. The walls are made up of concrete, the ceiling is concrete, the floor is tiles, and they're all hard surfaces. I'm going to record some speech as I am doing now, then hand clapping as I am going to do now, and then I will play some music from my iPad. So the audio input for this segment was through my recorded using my Galaxy earbuds. In the next segment I will be using the earphones which come with the Samsung Note 9 phone, and after that I will be using the Sony noise cancelling headphone, and at the end I will be using the Rode wireless mic. In this segment I am recording audios with the earphone provided with my Samsung Note 9. It is plugged into the phone with the 3.5mm jack, and I'm going to use this only for my voice. Now I'm going to clap near to the phone so that the clap is also recorded, and the iPad which is over here is also situated very close to the phone, and hopefully the phone will record the instruments from the iPad. So I'm going to clap now. And now I'm going to play some music on my iPad. I have no background in music. I'm just trying to record some notes with the purpose of checking out the presence of echo. Let's try the grand piano. This is a classic grand piano. So now I'll end this segment here. Next segment we'll use our noise cancelling headphones. In this segment I am using my Sony wireless headphones. It is connected to the phone by Bluetooth and it is paired. I am not using any mic. I am relying on the microphone of this headset to record my voice. I will of course use my hand clapping and the various instruments on my iPad. So here we go with hand clapping. Next I am going to record some musical notes from the various organs in my GarageBand application. That was the classical grand piano. Now is the grand piano. Next I will be using the Rode Wireless Go microphone. Now I am going to record sound with the Rode Wireless Go microphones. I got the Rode Wireless 2. This is the receiver. This will be connected to the Note 9 camera with the TRS to TRRS cable. I will be using one transmitter on me without the windshield. I am just speaking to the phone directly, and after this clip I will speak through the Rode Wireless 2 microphone. Now I am recording sound with the transmitter of the Rode Wireless Go, and this is transmitting my voice to the receiver which has been plugged onto the top of the Ulanzi clamp mounted on my tripod. I show you a picture of that. So I am recording sound through the receiver of the Rode Wireless 2 microphone. It is connected to the top of the Ulanzi clamp which has got a cold shoe here, and it is connected to the phone with the TRS to TRRS cable here. I am speaking into the transmitter of the Rode Wireless 2 microphone, and let's see if this sound quality is good enough. Oh, this is the concluding segment. I have listened to all the samples of video along with the audio, and my conclusions are as follows. Whenever I connected a microphone directly to the phone with either the provided earphone or the Rode wireless mic, the sound quality was much better and appeared to be direct and crisp. But when I used the noise cancelling phone as well as the buds, the sound appeared to be coming from a deep well. I have listened to all the audio samples, including those segments with the Rode Wireless 2 microphone and those portions where the microphone was held away from me like this by mistake. And I found that whenever the microphone of the Rode Wireless mic or the headphone was close to my mouth, there was no echo. The sound audio was crisp, direct. So I think that the Rode Wireless 2 microphone is good enough for one to do away with acoustic treatment. I'll have to wait and watch. I'll record more videos with my Rode Wireless 2 mic. Let me know in the comment section if you think that the Rode mic has improved the audio quality and does this room require acoustic treatment. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.